Hello, welcome again. We are solving some conventional questions of thermodynamics. Topic is laws of thermodynamics. Question number 105 from Civil Services Mains 2023. A 15-meter high cylinder with a cross-sectional area of 0.6 meter square contains 3 meter cube of liquid water at 25 degrees Celsius on the top of a thin insulated piston of mass 20 kg. Below the piston, argon is at 15 degrees Celsius with a volume of 3 meter cube as shown in the figure. Heat is applied to argon such that the piston rises and pushes the water out over the top edge. Find the one work done in kilojoules to remove whole water from the top of the piston. 2. Heat transferred in kilojoules to argon during the process. 3. Plot the process on PV diagram for argon. Assume atmospheric pressure P naught as 101 kPa CV and R for argon as 0.312 kilojoule per kilogram per degree Kelvin and 0.2081 kilojoule per kilogram per degree Kelvin respectively. Specific volume of water at 25 degrees Celsius is 0.001003 meter cube per kg. Neglect piston thickness. This is the arrangement. This is water. This is argon. Here the pressure is atmospheric and acceleration due to gravity is acting in downward direction. So first of all, we find the initial condition of argon. The pressure on iron is this P naught plus weight of water plus weight of piston divided by area. Okay, and weight of water is volume of water into G divided by specific volume, and weight of piston is mass of piston into G. Okay, and volume of water is given as 3, G is 9.81, and specific volume is also given, that is 0.001003, and weight of piston is 20 into 9.81. Area, cross section area of piston is given as 0.6. So and P naught is your atmospheric pressure is 101 kPa or 101 into 1000 Pascal. So initial pressure comes out as 150230.290 Newton per meter cube. V1 initial volume of argon is 3 meter cube and temperature is 15 degrees Celsius or 288 degree Kelvin. Final condition is final pressure is only of atmospheric pressure and weight of piston, because all the water has been spilled out. So weight by area. So this will be a 101327 meter per meter square. And final volume is because there is no water finally, so argon will final volume of argon will be a volume of cylinder, that is 15 into 0.6, that is 9 meter cube. So now for the argon, comparing initial and final state, you are using state equation P1 V1 P1 is equal to P2 V2 P2. P1 we have calculated, that is 150230, and V1 is 3, P1 is 288, P2 is 101327, and V2 is 9, and P2 we have to calculate. So P2 is 582.74. So this is the schematic diagram. This is one condition, this is two conditions. Okay. Now assuming that the process is PV raised power n is equal to constant. Okay, or we can say P1 V1 raised power n is equal to P2 V2 raised power n. So P1 is 150230.239 and V1 is 3 raised power n, and P2 is 101327 and V2 is 9 raised power n. So from this we can calculate n comes as 0.359. Okay, and so this is cold-topic process, and work done in cold-topic process is P1 V1 minus P2 V2 divided by n minus 1. So this is P1, this is V1, this is P2, this is V2, this is n. So it comes out as 71958 3.46 joule. So now we have calculated temperature also, final temperature. So change in internal energy is mCV T2 minus T1. So putting m mass of argon is 20, CV is 0.312 in kilojoule. So in joule it will be multiplied by 1000. And T2 is 582.74 and T1 is 288. So change in internal energy comes out as 1839177.6 joule. And heat transfer using first law, heat transfer is W plus W. So that comes out as 255,876.1.06 joule.